In this video, we are going to talk about how you can gain maximum profits from your list building efforts with special offers. The setup process of a special offer is you're going to need a special offer product download page template, which we're actually going to show you and actually give to you that you can actually work with. We're also going to need Aweber or GetResponse because you are going to need some sort of an autoresponder system. Those are the two most recommended ones, are Aweber, GetResponse, just because they are very reliable. You are going to need that free offer, that free irresistible special offer. And that free offer, obviously to get them on your list, so then you can hit them with that irresistible special offer. And that's what the one-time offer special offer is going to be considered. So you definitely need to make sure that is set up. And then you're going to need the HTML editor and the FTP program, which if you followed the previous training, you should already have those things set up. And then there's two options for payment processing. One is PayPal and another one is 2Checkout. And you could also use ClickBank as well. If you have a ClickBank account, you could use your own merchant account also. But these are two examples here, is PayPal and 2Checkout. So basically what I'm going to go over here is just the setup of the system so you understand how the special offer is going to work. So here's kind of the special offer process. So what happens is they go to your squeeze page to get onto your list. So they land on your squeeze page to grab your offer out there. Then what they do is they opt in to your list. The next thing that happens is they are taken to a thank you page which tells them to confirm their name or email. And it's important that you follow this process so that they actually get confirmed onto your list, and that way you can mail to them, and that's the most important part. So so you build the list with the squeeze page, so they land on your squeeze page, they opt into your list, they're hit with the thank you page, they go and click on the confirmation link in their message, and then they are taken to, after they click on the confirmation message, they would be taken to a sales page for the special offer. And at the top of that special offer page, we'll have a picture here in a little bit, but that basically will tell them, thank you for signing up. Your downloads are, your free offer is already in your inbox. Make sure you go check that out. But first, here's a special offer that you may be interested in. And this basically enables you to make money off your list building efforts. So what will happen here is if they end up saying no to the special offer, then all that happens is they're taken directly over to the download page or thank you page, whatever you want to call that, but the download page for the free offer, or the product page to the free offer. And if they end up saying yes to that special offer, they are taken to the page to download the free offer, plus they're able to download the product that they invested in with that special offer. And in either scenario, it finishes up with your email follow-up series beginning, and that's where you can follow up to them, have messages queued up as we've discussed in this training, but have a series of messages queued up and ready to go so that people can go through the process and actually get there. So we've got a series of messages all queued up for people that are ready to go, so that way you can make profits on the back end from all your list building efforts. But special offers are so important because you're leaving money on the table if you're not using them. So again, the process is they go to your squeeze page, they opt in, they confirm the opt-in, and they're taken to a special offer page that we will show you an example of right here. So notice here at the top of your special offer. Now of course, your template will probably end up looking different. This is basically just screenshot areas. The first part that I've got there is actually just it's actually just taken the headline, and then the bottom part there is the add to cart button. So there's a sales page between there, but this was just an example to show you. You notice at the top you thank them for confirming, and then right into the special offer. So that why you thank them is because they just clicked on the confirmation message. They're expecting to get the downloads, and so you want to make sure they understand that, hey, thanks for confirming. Your download link has been sent to your email, or scroll down to the bottom to find it, because you'll notice here at the very bottom there's a no thank you as well. But what this does is by making them scroll, you're basically not forcing them really, but you're basically giving them the option to read this special offer right out there, which is super important to your overall success. If they buy, they're taken to pay and then to a new opt-in to get on your buyers list, as we've talked about before. And if they choose no, at the very bottom, the no thank you option, they're taken directly to the product download page to go in and actually download the product they just invested in. And that product download page would be set up just like you set up the actual squeeze page download page in the previous video that we just covered. Now, if they end up buying that product, you could actually you want to have a squeeze page set up, and this is no different than setting up a regular squeeze page, except for it's a page that instead of delivering them a free offer, it delivers them a download link for the product they purchased. So you want to just thank them for their purchase and ask them where you can send the downloads, and then you want to go in, put in, call it product registration, and then of course you have the opt-in buyers list to receive the actual product. Finally, you've got the special offer buy now button. This is actually where you can go into PayPal, and you could actually go into PayPal here and actually create this special offer button. And this button then would redirect people after they purchase this, would actually redirect people over to buy. So this is actually where you would go inside PayPal, is paypal.com merchant services, and you can actually follow their tutorials to actually learn how to set this up on your website. The main point of this training here is not so much to show you how to, completely set up your special offer page, but it's here to show you guys the process that you should go through with your special offer. And there's other trainings you can locate online for how to set up a buy now button, but this is set up and in place for you so that you understand the importance of your special offers, you understand how it's going to work. But if you were dealing with PayPal, you would go to the merchant services just like we saw on this screen here. So you would go to merchant services at the top there, and you would click on buy now button and create a buy now button. Next thing you would do is set up your payment details. So you would call your special offer would be your item name, would be the special offer name. You put in your price there, whatever the price is that you are charging, and then you would go on to actually create. Just keep go through this form here. Typically, you won't be using taxes on this, shipping, all that. You could keep blank since it's going to be a digital product, and you would just choose create a button. Now, in step number three, this is the important part because you want to add your special offer thank you page. And the special offer thank you page is, again, no different than a squeeze page. It just so happens that you create a separate list for your buyers. It's like a VIP list that you would actually be creating. And this would be a special list that you're actually creating for them. And what you're going to do is take the customers, put a little check mark, take customers to this URL when they finish checkout, and that link is going to take them to a success page where they can put in their name and email and get on to the special offer page. So that's what would happen in that part of the process. So notice here at the top again, step 3 inside PayPal, at the very bottom there it says you're going to want to check take customers to this URL when they finish checkout, and that's going to take them over to a thank you page where they can actually get on to your thank you, your special offer page. That's where they can sign up for the product, and they're going to be automatically emailed that product there. And if you really wanted to get fancy, you could actually set up a one-time offer within that page following the same sequence, where they opt in for your special offer, they confirm for their product, and they're taken to a special offer, and they're emailed those download links. So you could actually technically go that route if you wanted to. You of course don't have to. But once you select create your button, you're just going to grab this code here and copy and paste it into your website. You could also just select the email option, and that would actually give you a direct link, and you could actually integrate that with any image link, or you could basically take a text link that just says buy now and link that up to PayPal. So what you're going to do for adding the buy now button is you're again going to want to open up the FileZilla, and we'll show you actually where to go in to do that. But you are going to want to open up your, not FileZilla, but your Composer, and you're going to want to go into your page on your website, wherever it's going to be located, and you're going to highlight that buy now button, and then go into your code and actually just copy and paste it into your HTML code. So you want to do this from the source code option to do this. So again, just want to thank you for joining us. I'm actually going to now switch to the on-screen because I'm actually going to show you guys how to take action and get your own special offer set up because you are leaving money on the table for your competition if you're not doing this. This is an important part of your list building efforts, and as we'll discuss, if you are using a special offer, it can actually make any money you invest in list building actually almost make your list building efforts free and actually reduce the cost that you are actually spending for this and actually give you more money so you can reinvest and keep building your list higher and higher up there. Now, as promised, wanted to have a sales page ready for you. So here's a basic sales page template. For this example, all we're going to do here is simply take this simple sales offer here, and I just want to quickly set up this offer. So I want to show you guys the first and most important element to having any special offer set up is just you want to thank them at first at the very top. So thank you for confirming. Please check your email. So you'll want to take them, your download. Thank you for confirming your downloads have been sent to your email. To your email. Your free, let's say your free downloads, there we go. Your free downloads have been sent to your email. Please check out this special offer or click on no thank you at the bottom of this page to access your free offer. Okay, and then we're just going to, we could make that bold so it sticks out more. You can also come in here, we could highlight it using this feature. So let's just go and make that yellow. Thank you for confirming your free downloads have been set. Click no thank you at the bottom of this page to access them as well. Okay, so there's that. That shows up at the very top. That's an important element because they did opt into your list to get something for free. So you want to make sure they understand how to get it. Where a lot of people make this mistake is they don't include this, and people just get panicky and they go, "Oh, this is great. I put in my name and email, and now they're like, and now I'm just being sold something." And so it kind of creates a bad experience. And so that's why it's important at the top, since you're using special offers, that you say, "Hey, thank you for confirming your free download have been sent to your email." That way they can instantly see that at the top. It's in yellow. They really can't miss it. And then they can read this special offer. And then at the bottom here, this is where you would just put in, something that just says, no, thank you. Please send me to my free downloads. And you can just make this text a link by just highlighting it. So I wrote out the link. I highlighted, what I want to link up, and I chose Insert Link, and I'm going to link this up to my download page. So it'll be yourdomain.com/dlpage123.htm, or for your free offer, for example. And then click on OK. Now, as far as setting up your Order Now button, there's definitely other tutorials on how to set up, everything in PayPal. If you used what we just covered in the PowerPoint in PayPal, you can set up your button that way. And all you're going to do when you get your button is you want to go over to source code, and you want to scroll down, on this template or whatever sales page template you're using, and you just want to insert that code, copy and paste that code where you actually want to place that code into your website. Now here's a little link I'm highlighting. This is actually what many PayPal links will actually end up looking like if you chose the email link option. Like I pointed out, this would be a direct link that you would actually take, and you would copy this link onto your Order Now button right there. So insert link and just paste that in there. So we'll just click on OK. So you can just highlight that, make that Order Now. You could actually insert an image if you wanted to. Like let's say you have an Order Now or image or an Add to Cart image. You could actually insert that as well by going to where you want to put it, but insert image, and then browse on your computer for that image and actually put it right on in there. So that's basically how you go through, the special offer. Now, once your special offer page is set up, you're going to want to go over to FileZilla here. And inside FileZilla, we'll go to the sales page template file. And we are going to go to special offer here. And we will just upload this into our free offer folder that we just created. And we'll go over here and go ahead and pull this up. Okay, so let's just type this in here. Let's go to imtechtrainingcourse.com/free offer /special offer.html. Actually, we'll go to .htm. I think that's what it is. There we go. So notice here, thank you for confirming. Your free downloads are inside. Right here, no thank you. Please send me to my free downloads. That actually shows up there. Now, just for the sake of this example, I actually will just go ahead and link that up as well so you guys can see how that's going to work. See, this is our download page that we set up previously. So I'll come down here and let's just link this one up for you just so you can see how the whole process will flow. And that's the main purpose of this video, is to show you basically the process here. So we're just going to upload that individual file by double clicking on it, or you could right click on it and choose upload, or you could upload everything at once if you had images and all that good stuff. So again, when your special offer page is done, it should look something like this. We're basically, thank you for confirming your free download's been sent to your email. And you're going to scroll on down here and get to where it says no thank you, please send me to my free downloads. And you will click on this link and you are taken to your download page if they clicked on no thank you. Otherwise, if they clicked on order now, they would actually be taken over to PayPal, where they could actually be taken over to PayPal and actually place their order right there on PayPal. Or you could actually use a service out there called tocheckout.com to also process your payments. ToCheckout works good because it makes it easier for people to use credit cards directly, like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and all those. And it does have a one-time fee to set up, but once you have it set up, they're pretty good about working with you as well. So you can just, again, your special offer page at the top needs to address that. Thank them for confirming, tell them that they can go to their email to grab their downloads, and then encourage them to check out this special offer here. And you don't really want to call it a one-time offer, basically because if you call it that, you can't really do much follow-up with it. And so, as we'll talk about in this course, it will benefit you better if you can actually queue this up into your follow-up sequence. And I'm going to actually show you that right now as well. But the very bottom of this page should link to your download offer. But now that we've set up our special offer here, I'm just going to copy this link and we're going to go over to Aweber now. So I'm just going to log in here to Aweber just to show you guys one more example here of this in action. So let's just go here. And what we're going to do here is go over to our list here. And we need to go and actually make this our confirmation page now in Aweber. And again, if you were using GetResponse, you would do the same step in GetResponse as we've laid out before as well. So what you're going to do here is go and actually make this your confirmation success page. Also, and we actually have a video that shows you how to do this step also, but this would become your confirmation success page. URL is now going to become this special offer page. So it's no longer going to be the straight download page, it's going to be your special offer page, because after they confirm, they're taken to the special offer, and on the special offer page, this is where you can have the no thank you link that takes them to their download page. So make sure you update that if you added a special offer. Special offers are great. You can use private label rights products. You can make relevant products become that special offer. And you could actually take any sales page template that you get from a PLR product and make it basically this special offer page, by just adding at the top, information about, this information at the top, and then adding a no thank you link below the order button. So that's all you have to set up there, and everything else is going to be set up there. The only other thing that I would consider adding is into your follow-up. You could add another follow-up sequence that says consider this or whatever, or following up. And you could say something, just to the effect of hello, and then do first name fix. I hope you had a chance to review the free video course you downloaded a few days ago. If you haven't yet, you will want to check this out. And then one other thing, to further your training, I have put together a special deal loaded with content that can help you grow your business, increase your golf swing, whatever, or increase your golf game, increase your ability to be a better dog trainer, whatever the case might be. And we'll just put in the link to the special offer and put thank you, and then your name would go here. So we'll just queue this message up, and you could set this message to go out 2 days after the first message. So like 2 days after they sign up, they're automatically going to be sent this follow-up message. It says, hey, I hope you had a chance to review it. It's loaded with content, but hey, while you're here, why don't you check out this special offer? And you can do a much better job with that follow-up sequence. And as we talk about in follow-up fortunes, you're going to want a whole bunch of follow-ups here to really maximize your list building efforts. But at least on the basic level, if you are using a special offer, their first follow-up should be, of course, the downloads, and then their next follow-up should actually be the special offer to encourage them to buy that. So if they don't take the special offer right away when they sign up, a couple days later you may actually start seeing some additional sales. So that actually wraps it up for this video, and make sure you follow the next video, which is part 2 of this one, with part 3, excuse me, of this one, where it'll actually lay out for you how to actually set up the confirmation message, or the confirmation again, so that after they click on confirm, they're taken to your special offer page. And we show you that with GetResponse and with Aweber. In this video, I want to show you how to actually set up your confirmation page within GetResponse and within Aweber, so that you can either send people straight to your download page, or in this case, send them over to your special offer, so that you can actually start making additional revenues from your actual promotion. So what we want to do here is inside GetResponse, you want to go up and select your current campaign. You'll see here we've got 3 sample campaigns all set up. So what you want to do here is go in here inside your campaign, and you just want to select the little settings widget right over here on the right hand side, and you want to go to the opt-in section here. And inside the opt-in section, you will actually see customize the confirm page, and you'll want to go to confirmation page URL, and this is where you would just type in your download page, or it could be your special offer page. So we'll just say yourdomain.com/special offer.html. And then what you want to do here is go down and select save settings, and you are going to be good to go. And so once people opt in, that's the page, that is the confirmation page they would end up going to. That's how you set that up within GetResponse. Now within Aweber, where you're actually going to put this is going to be found under, you choose your current list up here, much like GetResponse, but you select it from the drop down, and you select My List, and you choose List Settings, and you're going to go to confirmed opt-in, and down here this is where you put either your download page, or you could do your special offer link. And we'll show you how to set up these various pages so that people can actually be taken straight to your special offer. But this is how this is set up, is that once they click on the confirmation message in your link, once they click on the confirmation message, the message that they're sent to, they're going to be taken to this special offer page. And on this special offer page, that would talk about your special deal, plus include a message at the top that you can include, and we'll modify it for you, show you how to do that. But it would include a message that basically says, check your email for your downloads. Here's a special offer to consider. That way you can make additional revenues from all your list building efforts. But it's super important. That's where you go, is your confirmation success page. You can do that within GetResponse and do it within Aweber, and those are the two spots that you can go to do that within them.